Hi, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. And guys, I am super excited to share with you that we are coming up on the 1 year anniversary of my Sweet Creations Club. Now, I had been doing project kits before each month, but I decided to switch last January 2022 from the monthly card project kit to a subscription club. That way my customers can receive that monthly card kit every single month without having to worry about registering. They just automatically, it gets billed to them and they get it in the mail. So they don't have to think about, oh, did I register? Did I not register? They know that they're set. Now, when we started last January, we started with about 15 club members. And then over the year, we expanded to 50 club members. That's 50. I am looking forward to 2023 to expanding that for another 50 for a total of 100 club members. So I would love for you to join me if you're not already part of my Sweet Creations Club. One of the perks of the club is that you get to earn a free gift from me valued about $25 for every 6 months that you remain a club member. And also too, you get some other fun club perks that you'll just have to check it out. But anyway, I wanted to share with you the January kit because we have a new catalog coming on January 5th for the spring. Lots of new fun goodies to play with. And one of the things about my club is that I take those new products and I design fun projects with them for you. So you can take the guesswork on your design work and I will do it for you. And then you just enjoy playing with the kit and following along with the instructions that I provide to you in the PDF tutorial. Let me share with you what we're playing with for January. We are going to be using, it's called the Country Floral Lane Collection, and it uses the Country Bouquet bundle. So let me show you what the projects are for January. It is the club kit will include the pre-cut project supplies so that you can you don't have to worry about cutting everything. Now, there will be some things you'll need to stamp and punch or cut, but all the cardstock pieces I take care of for you. And I cut them, score them for you. So then you just do the little bit of work to finish assembling them. Now, you're going to make 5 projects with the Country Floral Lane project kit. It is going to be 4 cards and 1 gift bag. And so I wanted to share with you some of the cards up close. This actually uses one of the new die sets that is in the new catalog. And this one is another card. And I love that burlap ribbon. This one right here is actually kind of a fun fold. When you open it up, just a really simple fun fold. What I did is I kind of cut a large die in half and kind of angled it to make it look like a little tag flap. Then you just open it up. This one right here is probably my favorite. It is a slide up gift card holder. How fun is that? You can write your message and then insert your little gift card inside there for them. And then of course we have a little treat bag for you to, or a little gift bag for you to include a little gift for your recipient. Now, what I love about this Country Floral Lane collection is that it is Valentine's-y, but it's not like screaming Valentine. So if you want to be able to use it for every day, it's great for that as well. Now, let me tell you what you're going to need in order to complete the projects as I have designed them. You're going to want to have, of course, the Country Bouquet bundle. This includes the stamp set and the punch. Now, this is not going to be available till January 5th, 2023. So if you add this on to either your club or your 1-month kit, which I will talk to you about in a moment, I will not be able to order it till January 5th. So also too, I recommend 3 inks. That is Sweet Sorbet, Balmy Blue, and Mossy Meadow. And some of the adhesives I recommend, your favorite tape or liquid glue. I prefer the liquid glue. Mini glue dots to be able to glue down some of those ribbon bows. And this time I'm going to recommend 2 dimensionals, and that is the regular Stampin' Dimensionals and the mini dimensionals. If you choose to, you can cut your dimensionals like in half, but it's just so much easier to use the mini dimensionals. So in order to get this project kit, you do have 2 options. You can subscribe to my monthly Sweet Creations Club and earn those fun club perks. And that is $39 per month. And that includes the first class shipping. Or if you want to join us locally here in person, or if you want to pick it up, the cost is $34. So make sure when you are looking at that link in this video description that you are selecting the correct one, whether it's going to be shipped or if it's going to be local, so that you are charged appropriately each month. Or if you are just wanting to try the club kit for just 1 month, I do have a limited number of non-subscription kits available. So you can click on that link and you can just register for that 1 month kit. Now, registration does run from December 6th, 2022 through January 5th, 2023. So if you register early, you may be feeling like you're waiting a long time for your kit, but that is just my subscription window for the Sweet Creations Club. And then on January 5th, I will, calculate everybody who has signed up or who was part of my club. And then on January 6th, I will order everything for everybody. And the kits will be shipped out by January 15th, 2023, pending any back ordered items. So I don't think that'll happen, but just in case, sometimes there can be a little bit of a delay. So guys, please reach out to me. I would love to be able to send you this fun, happy mail. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Take care. Bye, guys.